steadfastly advancing with strength, breaking through limits with research, gauging heights with perseverance. A vast world with endless possibilities. Jiangsu Tewei Machine Tools Company Limited. Situated in a historic and cultural city of China, Yangzhou, a city awarded by the United Nations for human settlements. Adjacent to Shanghai. Close to Nanjing. With convenient transportation, featuring the Yangzhou Taizhou Airport, just 10 kilometers away from the company. Here lies a beautiful environment, eco-friendly and livable. With rapid development across all industries, Jiangsu Tewei Machine Tools Company Limited was established in 1993. Since its inception, the brave and hardworking Tewei team have deeply sown the seeds of hope and expectation into the soil of Yangzhou, the canal capital. The pace of exploration and development has never ceased since the beginning. Jiangsu Tewei Machine Tools Company Limited has developed and manufactured various types of lamp post equipment, flagpole, power pole, communication tower equipment, wind power pole equipment, and large diameter steel pipe and other specialized complete set equipment. And the company serves enterprises both domestically and internationally, operating in coordination across the entire industrial chain, forming a modern manufacturing company that integrates product design, development, equipment production, assembly, after-sales service, and logistics. Jiangsu Tewei Machine Tools Company Limited commits to providing customers with high-quality products, professional supporting solutions, a professional processing team, a well-equipped production workshop, and advanced production and testing equipment. For every production stage, strict quality control is enforced. Precision craftsmanship leads the industry. Integrity forges quality, and quality creates the brand.